In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on More Connections. Then choose Printing here. Tap on Default Print Service or tap on Add Service and download the best one for your printer. Then click on it over here. Either way, after selecting your service, click on gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And wait! Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!